Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, hi. There, based on the title, you're probably like, what the heck are you talking about? Well, ladies and gents, I am here to tell you how and what I'm gonna do to save money this year and just simply organize my life. Cute, pretty box, and before I open it, I just want to give you a little quick, short story time, like the whole background of how we got here today. Okay, so at the beginning of this year, I was like, you know what? I want to save more money, and I need help. So I don't know about y'all, but when I need help and when I'm like confused and when I just need an answer, I pray. So I was just like, you know, Jesus, this year I want to save, you know, $10,000 or so. I need your help, I need your guidance. So, yeah, I came across a budget planner and I was like, ooh, a budget planner, that's cute. So like I can like list out all my bills, but if you have it written down and like, you know what I'm saying? You get where I'm going? So then I came across a few budget planners. I was just trying to like review the best ones, yada yada yada. And to be quite honest, when it comes to budgeting, I can use a little assistance. Let's just put it right there. And then just like simply just overbooking myself, like making plans one day and forgetting that I made those plans and then I double booked myself, you know what I'm saying? Just, I was like, listen, I need something. Fast forward, I came across the Erin Condren Life Planner. Now, that's what this video is. I'm unboxing my new planner by Erin Condren, and I'm so excited. I got this like at the end of January. Here we are, February 28th. Tomorrow's March. I haven't done a dang thing. I haven't written anything in my planner. I haven't opened it. Here's what she looks like. It's some cute little cards. Give me like little cards. I don't know. Oh, it's in this. Okay, so it's in this. It's in this. I do want to explain how this is gonna help me save money. So like I mentioned, like I bought this because I want to be able to organize my bills. So write out a list of my monthly expenses. That way I know how much I'm spending. I'm gonna log my paychecks and just basically just get myself together, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so I'm really excited. And this is actually like a customized, you guys know I love customized things. If you haven't already, check out my jewelry haul of personalized jewelry and everything, linked up here somewhere. But okay. Ooh, I'm excited. So it comes in this cute little box like this. She's wrapped really pretty. Oh my man, I'm so excited. Look. Guys, look how freaking cute. I'm gonna try to show you, but it is a coiled book thing. It comes with a bookmark ruler thingy, and then it says my name, y'all. Keep doing that. Okay, it says Kaylaharnae. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? But it says Kaylaharnae. So cute. And it's like the perfect size too, guys. It's not too crazy. Very cute. This is just cute. I'm gonna do a close-up of the book, but look, I'm so excited because also like if I want a planner, this planner is a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but that was my thing. Like I am ready to just lay it all out there. So I have these cute little cards, these affirmation cards. They say, you lift me up, I'm so proud of you, and your potential is endless. Then I have just cute little stickers. Really quickly, I'm going to give you a quick little like walkthrough. So at the beginning of each month, there's a new pretty page. And then this is what the monthly spread layout looks like. Just like, can you see that? It has all like the months spread out, and it has a side for your notes. And then, so we have like blank pages and just like little bullet points and everything. And this page of the month is where I plan on like writing out my budget and like my monthly expenses and everything like that. And then it goes into weekly. So then we have each week of the month spread out, you know what I'm saying, Monday through Sunday. And then, yeah, it's just so cute. I'm just really excited. If I'm gonna get a planner, it has to be cute. It has to be like, I wanna get excited to write in it, you know what I'm saying? And I already journal, and like some of my journals are super cute. I like coiled books and just aesthetically pleasing, and it's not too big. This is perfect if you want to take it with you to work, or just, it's not too crazy. So I'm gonna also have everything linked down below, but really quickly, I also picked up some really cute pens. And I don't know if you guys remember, but back in like 2015 or so, I don't know, but Erin Condren, well, Erin Condren planners are pretty popular, but it was so popular to get a planner and like put stickers all over it and cute washi tape and all that stuff. But listen, just give me a couple cute pins and we're gonna be okay, you know? But no, I do like stickers though. However, I got these cute colorful pins from Amazon. We got purple, pink, orange, and blue. And they're by Pentel. Yeah, they're by Pentel. Pentel is my favorite pen brand to write with. I'm very picky when it comes to my pens, especially if I'm gonna be using it to write with something. This is also Pentel, and it comes in this actual like black case that I keep it in. And it's gold. So cute. And I love the way it writes. I'm gonna have these linked down below. And I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna have some pens, if I'm gonna order some pens, first off, they're gonna be cute. I'm gonna like the way they write, and it's just gonna make me excited to plan out my life. But yes, this is the Life Planner by Erin Condren. I got the vertical layout. I believe they have a horizontal layout, and then they have different, What I like about this is that they have different designs and you can customize it. So this is the design I picked. I believe this is the standard color combo, but you can like, say if you wanted the XOXO with your name, you can get that and then change the color of the dots, or I don't know, but it's very cute. And you guys, guys, I just opened the back and there's like folders in the back. I have stickers. It comes with stickers, guys. I have a whole page of stickers. So like stickers. And then we have different stickers that say like today, to do, rescheduled, canceled, this week. I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. Here we got her happy birthday, celebrate, plain sticker tabs, the cutest little folder. The material of this is bomb, y'all. And then in the back, I got this little booklet that says plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. It's a perpetual calendar. So it's just like each page is its own month. So this will be cute to plan out my videos. And it's in my planner. So I plan on planning out like the days that I'm gonna film, I'm gonna upload, all that stuff. Even my Instagram posts, like I'm serious about this, y'all. But no, I'm really, really excited about this little book that it came with. So it says calendar and contacts, but I would use it just for like my notes. I guess as far as videos, like when I have YouTube video ideas, I tend to just write them down in my journal or in my phone. But if I have a designated area for it, that'll be cute. This is so cute. And it's, I don't know, I'm just loving this. I don't know, this is just cute. And then in the back, it has all holidays and dates of this year. And I can just keep it there. So excited. Also, ow. So this is my first time opening this. However, I do want to say I've already started my little savings journey. So what I've been doing is I have a little cute little mailbox. Let me just show you. So I really like just cutesy and like just cute little things. So for Valentine's Day, not specifically for Valentine's Day, anywho, but I have these cute little mailboxes, right? And do you remember this from my tutorial a few videos ago? But any loose change that I get, as far as like bills, I mean, any cash that I get, I'm keeping it, and I just keep it stored away in a cute little area. So you guys can do that too, as far as like your savings. And then at the end of the year, I'm gonna count up to see how much I've saved. So yes, any loose cash that I have, it's going in my box. And we are starting our savings, guys. And in the account too, but we don't have to be technical. But anywho, get what I'm saying, get what I'm saying. So excited, it's so cute, it feels so nice. It's just sophisticated. It's, you know, I don't know. But I highly recommend you guys check out this brand. Again, I'll have it linked down below. And if you're into stationery, if you're into planning, journals, all that stuff, I think you would like this website. And also they have life planners, they have monthly planners, they have budget planners, they have things for teachers. I don't know, it's just, you should just check out the website. I think there's something for everybody. And yeah, they always have sales. Literally since the day I ordered my my planner, they send me an email with some new sale that's happening. So if you can, sorry, I'm trying to like, let me stop. Ow. But if you can wait until they're having a sale, I would hop on that, or just, I don't know. But they have a sale like every day, so just don't worry about it. But yeah, guys, I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope somehow, some way it inspired you to get yourself together, girl. Love you so much. But yes, if you liked this video, thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media accounts and all of that. I freaking love you. Let me know what you want to see next for me. And yeah, I'm excited because I'm eating Burger King today. Okay? Do you guys want to see some mukbangs? I love mukbangs. I'll do some mukbangs for you. My period is actually coming, so I'm craving like everything. Okay? Everything. But yes, love you. And I'll see you